Today we will learn about algorithm. So let's start. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of instruction which is designed to perform a specific task, or we can say that it is a finite sequence of a step instruction to solve a problem is called an algorithm. It means we want only simple language, that is called English language, to write any algorithm. So we don't need to write any syntax in this. Only the person should have the domain knowledge for writing before algorithm. So this is the diagram for this. This is the input symbol, and this is the set of rules to obtain the expected output for the given input. Suppose we have to add two numbers, so we will give number 1, number 2 in input, and we will get the output of that particular number. So we are taking an example of it, an algorithm for adding two numbers entered by the user. So step 1 we will follow in this. So step 1 is the start button. Then step 2 is declaring variable, which is number 1, number 2, and sum. In this we are entering the number by the user. User will enter two numbers, those they want to add the number. In step 3, it will read the value of number 1 and number 2 values. In step 4, we will add number 1 and number 2 and assign the result to sum. Sum is here variable in which we will assign the result. So number 1, sum is equals to number 1 plus number 2. In this, sum will display the number 1 and number 2, the addition of number 1 and number 2. In step 5, display the sum. So in this, the result is display, and step 6 is stop.